back, mates. Crypto Leverage Trading Group. Everybody's doing great. A little bit after 5, recapping the week. It's Friday, holiday weekend coming up. We talked about it. We got Labor Day coming up here today in the States, coming up on Monday. It's going to be a 3-day weekend. We expect low volume tomorrow, obviously, but I wanted to talk about again. I followed up the video again earlier on Bitcoin Cash, as well as Bitcoin Cash, ABC, Bitcoin Gold, another one. So what are we looking at for the week? It's Friday, right? Let's recap the week. Let's pat ourselves on the back a little bit because you look at the gains that we've had this week. This has been an outstanding week in cryptocurrency across the board, not only with Ethereum approaching 4,000. Bitcoin got back above 50,000 a little bit today. We're entering in a week on a positive note here. Let's see if we can hold it going on to that last stick tonight, the last 4 hour, the last 12 hour, the last 1 hour, and the last daily, right? We want to hold those sticks here. Okay, going into the weekend. We know some low volume is going to come tomorrow. But let's take a look at and think about what we're talking about here. When we talk about all these coins relative to Bitcoin and Ethereum, we talk about all the correlation. Okay, for example, Ethereum's up 25% for 7 days, for the last 7 days. Okay, and we know Bitcoin is up too. Bitcoin is up about 6%, 6.5% for the week. That's pretty good for Bitcoin during a consolidation period or a retest period or a pattern period, okay? Continuation pattern. That's pretty darn good, okay? The story's been Ethereum this week. Altcoins correlated to Ethereum. Let's open this up. Let's take a look at it. If you're in our Discord, kudos to you. If you are not in our Discord yet, you can click that link in the bottom right-hand corner of the YouTube channel page header, and it'll be an invite for you to come into the main freemium Discord, okay? We have a second Discord. It's a premium Discord. That's going to be for our Leverage Core subscribers and people that have been with us for a long, long time who, we trust and we know we have communicated with. So if you'd like to be in that group, just shoot me a email. The Gmail will be in the description. But take a look at these gains, mates. This is for 7 days, okay? We are on the FEMX exchange here. It's one of the premium exchanges that we like to use in the Crypto Leverage Trading Group. They've done a lot of great work here in the last 6 months, upgrading this platform. Totally love the charting going on with it now. Early pops, okay? We're on the 4 hour here. You can tell where we're at, okay? We broke 700. That's what we called. We talked about this before when it was 630, when it was 655, when it was 670, playing the leverage moves all the way up. Now, these returns are not leverage returns, mates. These are simply the spot returns, which tells you compounded really what your leverage rate of return really potentially could have been this week had you been playing long buy up trades at any leverage. Again, think of this as your 1x, okay? Your 1x leverage or a spot trade, for example, okay? Bitcoin Gold, almost 30% correlated with Bitcoin's move. Let's look at the other forks. Bitcoin Cash, 16%. Bitcoin Cash ABC, which is a fork of Bitcoin Cash, up 293% this week, mates. Kusama, 44%. Phantom, 84%. Elron, 27%. YFI, 11%. YFI is lagging Ethereum at the moment here. Expect maybe a burst this weekend, mates. VeChain, back up finally, 22, 23%. Totally stoked about that. Let's see if we can get back above 15 cents over the weekend. Link, 24%. Litecoin, 25% move, mates, back over 200. Polkadot, setting another test of break of resistance, up 37%. And, of course, Ethereum. For Bitcoin Cash, pay particular attention to this number right now. We are in red-hot levels, okay? Red-hot, white-hot levels, approaching white-hot, which is 80 to 90 plus. We are just around 80 on the RSI, okay, going into the weekend. That tends to signal a little bit of over-enthusiasm when we might be a little bit overbought here. So we want to make sure that we understand that. Make sure you set your sell limits. Make sure you set your stop loss on whatever exchange you're on if your exchange offers that. Remember, not all exchanges are the same. They all have different capabilities, so you want to make sure of that, okay? So you could also straddle that trade. Obviously, that, if you're not familiar with our straddle method, come into our Discord, and we'll show you that. That'll be part of the leverage course you can take, show you all the strategies, all the methods. Please like and subscribe to the channel as soon as you possibly can here on YouTube, as well as you can follow us on Twitter. Join us on Facebook. We got a small Facebook group, Facebook page on Facebook as well. Come in, join, learn. That's what we're about here. We're not about scams. We're not about token scams. We're not about, MLM scams. Okay. We're about teaching people crypto and leverage trading on crypto exchanges.